Here I am at Big Lots, and I figured I'd show you some of their home decor, out decor. So, these big, aren't these absolutely gorgeous? Those milk jugs. They say farm fresh dairy milk, cheese, and homemade ice cream, $24 for that can. That's beautiful. And I'm absolutely loving this. This was marked down to $18, guys. That's what it looks like from this side. Isn't that beautiful? And every time I come here, I see this, and I'm absolutely loving that. Let's see the tag back here. That was marked down to $24, guys. Look at it. Isn't that beautiful? That is so farmhouse. So over here it says 30% off their plant stands, garden, drums, fountain decor. These right here, guys, is marked down to $12. And then are these marked down? Let's see. Yeah, these are marked down to $14. I'm not really sure if those are flower pots or you could store stuff in them. I don't know. But look at this tray. Look at this tray, guys. This tray is like $35. It's gorgeous. And then this stand, this plant stand right here is $35. This one doesn't have the pot with it, but I don't know. I would have to ask. I think the pot is over here separate, and there's another stand. So these are hanging ceramics. I think you can plant stuff in here. These are $6 for these wall ones. And then these, I think these are $20. Those are really pretty. And then this one here, this looks like a bird feeder. Ladder wall planter. That's what that looks like. I thought it was a bird feeder because it has a bird on top. Then they have that metal. They have this metal wall piece, galvanized wall planter, and that's what those look like, guys. And then they have this one here shaped like a bicycle, guys. Look at that. That's the wheel, and that's $12. And there's the handles. It's $20. So, and it's like a faux concrete. This is not real concrete. Then they have these things here. I don't know if these are to place outside, but they're $9, and it looked like they were reduced. Well, this one was reduced. The one with this, is that a mouse? Ugh, that's creepy. So here's a gnome swinging. Okay, and I love their outdoor gnome decor pieces. Look at this one. Look at this one. Guys, this stuff is gorgeous. So I don't think they are reduced. I just think this is $14. Let me see this one. This one is $18, and they're huge. These make beautiful flower garden decor. Look how huge they are, guys. Okay, so I think the one that's marked down is this creepy one. It's $9. Well, it's creepy to me. I don't know. It's a rat. And then they have these kind of, I don't know what these are. Maybe these are coasters. They look like they could be coasters with a unicorn. Those are $8. Then they have the gnome figures right here in the fairy garden stuff. Isn't that beautiful? They're $10 for this one, and they're pretty big, guys. Look at the gnome over here for $6. And then you have her. You have this one right there. Then you have this one. That one is 10. This one is 10. That one is 6. And look at this, the furniture. Those are $9. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. I'll just scan that for you. Some of them are 7. Okay. And then over here they have fairy garden pebbles. Those are 5. And then they have the garden. These are garden pebbles too. Those are 5. These are the stones, and those are 5. Then they have the fairy garden moss. Those are 5. And some more fairy stuff. I think this one is marked down to 9, or they're all 9. I don't know. Maybe this one didn't come with a label. And look how pretty this one is. And that bicycle, guys. Look at that. That's $16. So then over here, guys, they have these balls, the gazing balls. Aren't they nice? So they have the smaller ones, the painted cracked ball on the top. And those are $8. And then if you look at these right here, isn't that gorgeous? These are gorgeous. And this one here, and this one here. These are $27. And guys, you have this one, 22.
You can follow me, I'll take you.
And this one. And this one. These are 22. So these are the ones they have here for show. And then I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this is the gazing ball stand, guys. So that comes separate. That's $16 for that. And that's what they look like. They even have the smaller one right here. And then this is the steak. This one comes with the steak. So these are $37 for those. Okay guys, thank you for coming with me to Big Lots, and I figured I'd show you their outdoor decor. Wait a minute, I think we missed a section. Look at this animated talkback bird. Let me see. Oh, they probably need a battery. I would have liked to hear it. Okay, so those are toucans, and it's a talkback bird, and these are 9. Then they have this one here. It's also animated, a singing bird. That one is 12. So more of the crack painted balls over here. How pretty they are, guys. These light up. Aren't they nice? And see that one back there. Those are 12. Very beautiful, guys. And then you have this angel with the light. And you have this one here with the hummingbird. Then you have this one here. Then you have these. You have some more of those. These are all outdoor stuff. And look at those. They have the dog, the cat, the frog. Those are so pretty. Let me see how much these are. Guys, these are $22. And there's the dog holding the light. Then you have the guardian angel. And then you have the, isn't that beautiful, guys? That's $40 for that angel. Then you have this is a praying turtle, and that's $16. He's solar. And the $10 for the guardian angel. And then here is the one here. It looks like hummingbirds holding the ball. I'm not sure. That one is $22. And then look at this one. This is like a baby turtle and the mom turtle, or the dad turtle. Those are $18. Then you have these. Aren't they adorable? So here's the dog, the different kinds of dog. You have this one, and then you have this one. And those are $14. Here's the angel. And I think this angel is $18. So you have different sizes. This little one right here is $8. So here you have the praying turtle. And there's the angel, and here's the welcome dogs. And look at the gnome. That's $8. And here's another gnome. So this gnome right here is $14. Then you have the yoga frogs and some more of those turtles. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Big Lots to check out the outdoor decor. And I will see you in another video.